Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to pay Meralco bill via Atome app. Paying your Meralco bill through the Atome app isn't as obvious as you'd expect. There's no big pay bills button staring at you right away. What I usually do is open Atome and head straight to the shop section at the bottom. It's the tab sitting between home and the QR option. From there, I scroll a bit until I find Bayad, which handles utilities. Once inside Bayad, I look for the pay bills option and check if Meralco is listed. If it is, I just enter my bill details, confirm the amount, and complete the payment. It's pretty smooth once you're in the right section. If for some reason Morocco doesn't show up, I just use my Atome card as a backup and pay directly through other supported platforms. Quick tip, double check your account number before confirming, because undoing a bill payment is definitely not a fun follow-up task. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.